Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Travis dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Travis dildo from the Real Fantasy collection. Now this dildo is not recommended for beginners and is experienced for more experienced and advanced users only. As you can see, it features a very realistic design with a textured veiny shaft, a realistic scrotum and a large rounded head just here as well. Now the material itself feels very silky, soft and smooth for a comfortable fit and feel. The core is firm yet flexible as well, and is suitable for both anal and vaginal penetration. It can also be used in compatibility with a strap-on harness thanks to the suction cup. You can also use the strong suction cup here to place on any flat smooth surface and enjoy it hands-free. We'd always recommend to apply water-based lubricant to the dildo itself and your intimate areas for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean the dildo after every use, and we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy dildo Travis. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.